Hey guys, welcome back to Good Recipes. Today we're making 3 delicious homemade pizzas using some leftovers ingredients from our last meal. These are quick, easy and packed with flavor. Here's what we are using today. For our topping, we're using shredded chicken, mayo, Vienna, pickles, mushrooms, fresh tomatoes and avocado. You'll also need your sauces, which in this case I use tomato sauce, barbecue sauce, some oil, and your favorite cheese. And for my base, I use the same recipe as my dumpling. Please check the link on the screen. Now let's get everything ready before we start assembling. Slice the Viennas, the pickles and mushrooms. Shred the chicken. Then mix it with a few spoonfuls of mayonnaise for a creamy texture. Then dice the tomatoes for the vegan pizza, and finally slice the avocado, and we'll add this later after baking. Now divide your dough into equal portions. Roll each one out to fit a cake pan, making sure to keep the thickness even. This will give us a soft yet crispy base. Before adding your toppings, poke the base with a fork a few times to prevent air bubbles. Now first up, the chicken and mayo pizza. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce over the base. Then add the chicken and mayo mixture. Sprinkle with cheese for extra flavor. Next, the Vienna and Pickles pizza. Spread the tomato sauce. Add your sliced Viennas and pickles. And top it off with your choice of cheese and add your barbecue sauce. And finally, the vegan pizza. Drizzle a little of cooking oil, then add sliced mushroom and fresh tomatoes, your garlic and your onions. Remember the avocados goes on after baking. Now we are baking our pizzas. Place all 3 pizzas in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is perfectly melted. And that's it. 3 easy, delicious homemade pizzas with simple ingredients. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.